and move it around a tad. Bring the car back. And now we want to move this car so that it sits on the water. Left click it, drag it down, and boom. There we go. Okay, great. Now to move on and go on to the next section, I would just hit new layer, transparency, hit OK. Got rid of the little square around the car. Now on the new layer, I'm going to add a little dusk to the photo. So maybe I want to go, I don't know, what is it, violet or something? Left click, bucket fill, left click, and voila. Now in this case, if I bring that layer down behind everything or at the bottom, I won't see it. I'm going to leave it at the top, but I'm going to change the opacity so that it brings color to my picture, but it doesn't take over the whole picture. Okay? And there you go. Now, if I don't want the opacity or any color over the car, I'll just take that layer and move it behind the car so that the car pops and the background is affected by the new color change. Okay? While I'm at it, let me show you something really quickly and we'll end this video. But this is really cool. So you can go to the gradient tool here. Let's choose a color that's different from what we have, green, just so you can see it. And I can left click and draw a line, and it's going to add a gradient effect to the photo. So watch this. Okay, and I can manipulate that gradient look and feeling by playing with some of the nudes, noodles, I think they're called, on the line to kind of affect different areas with more or less colors. Okay, so you can play with this and come up with some really cool effects, colors, etc. And one thing to keep in mind is you can take the top of where you started and move it around so it only affects a certain part of the photo. Okay, so that's another way of adding some pretty cool colors to your object. To change the colors, you would go over here to your little toolbar area, left click, and if I selected, let's say, just so you could see the difference, this one, you can see that it made a drastic change in color. Bring it back up, move some of the nudes up or down, left or right, and create some variations in colors or change the placement of where the colors are popping. Okay, so that's just a quick little run through. Please play with that. We'll go over the gradient tool in more details at a later date. But for now, I think you have a lot to get started that will get you on your way to creating great flyers, pictures, album covers, posters, etc. Please, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. Shoot us an email. We are a community-based organization, so we are here to help the community. Feel free to reach out with any questions regarding any of the art forms that we offer. We'll be more than happy to get you on your way to learning and understanding a new program, project, or curriculum. Thank you so much.